Okay, here are the problems that you're going to be doing on your own. The first one is tangent theta cosecant theta cosine theta equals 1. Obviously, that one's going to be what you're aiming for. That's going to be your end game, what you need to verify. Let's go back. And number 4, this one's a big challenge, but cosecant squared theta minus cotangent squared theta, if I can talk, equals over 1 minus sine squared theta equals secant squared theta. I bet you can't guess how late it is right now that I'm filming these videos. All right, go ahead. This secant squared is going to be the easier side. Go ahead, pause, work on these on your own, and then come back when you finish to check. And here are your answers for 3 and 4. So they seemed really daunting if you looked at them, but once you just broke them apart using those identities, in number 3, I just did those basic identities of the reciprocals and tangent turning into sine over cosine. And you saw that everything canceled through. And then on number 4, those are 2 Pythagorean identities. The way it's listed is cotangent squared plus 1 equals cosecant squared. But if you move cosecant squared around or cotangent squared around, you get 1. So all you have to do is that one little step and make it work. And then 1 minus sine squared is the same thing as cosine squared. And then that's just a reciprocal identity. All right. If you got both those, good work. If not, keep working on them and make sure they make sense to you.